Alright guys, it's day 3. We'll be honest, I had to throw up this morning, or at night. I think it was some bad avocados I might have ate. So my weigh-in is probably going to be lower, but I think I don't need to adjust the macros. So I'm going to go ahead and buy some new avocados and try not to eat the skin off the sweet potato. I think that will help with my digestion and help not upset my stomach. 2 foods I think were the cause of that. Here's the weigh-in for today. Alright, time to make some chicken. Make lunch. Only problem is that earlier today was not feeling the best, but feeling a lot better now. So 4 ounces of chicken. We're gonna do inner calf raises here. You want to position your toes inwards. And I'm gonna go up. And I'll do 12 to 15 reps. So, this is towards the end of the leg workout. We're just going to write down a lot of the other exercises and record it. But we're going to do these outer calf exercises. We're going to position the feet outwards. And we're just going to go up slowly. I fell down, but try not to touch your heels here. I'm peeling my sweet potato. As you can see, it's a very tedious process because it's hot. Once it's cooler, it makes it easier. I'm now eating my sweet potatoes. Thinking about adding salt, guys. I think salt would taste better. What do y'all think? Got some avocado. Have you guys tried avocado sweet potato? Never tried it before. Let's see how it tastes. Very interesting. I added some salt to the avocado. Alright guys, it is now the end of the day. Today has been a mix of things. I would say throwing up last night was not good, but I made it through. I was able to eat everything that I need to eat. The food feels like it's sitting a lot better now that I've got some more ripe avocados, and the sweet potatoes also. I'm cooking it rather in the microwave versus air frying it and peeling off the skin, so should help a lot more. It has helped, at least feeling right now that it's not. So everything's good. Yes, so that concludes my day. And now the question of the day is, what is the calories I'm intaking currently? The answer to that is 2,428 calories. Anyways, that's it. Don't forget, it's never too late for you to be mobile.